So today in this video, we're going to look into a brief comparison between Replit versus Lovable. So Replit here, it's actually an online IDE and it actually involves full code environments with multi-language support, and there is coding involved in Replit. Whereas Lovable here actually is an AI powered app builder, so there is no code or anything involved. Okay, it has like rapid prototyping using the natural language as we normally do here. So if you look into each one of these separately, so they have their own pros and cons. So for example, Replit here, some of its pros is that it supports like 50 plus languages like Python, JavaScript, C++, and many more. And you have real-time collaborations like Google Docs for coding and stuff. And it deploy apps instantly with Replit's deployment. Okay, it's great for learning and experimentations. The cause is that this can be slow with larger projects, and also it's not optimized for non-coders or non-code people who are not good with coding. Okay, whereas Lovable here on the other hand, okay, there is no coding required here, so you just describe your app in your plain English and it will get the job done for you. It's ideal for non-technical users and solo founders, and the AI handles the design, backend logic, and everything. The issue with this is that it has limited customization when you compare it with a full code platform like Replit. Okay, and it's not suitable for complex and production grade apps. So you can simply use this one Lovable here if you want to like building a MVPs fast, or you need a no code app creation, then you can go for Lovable. Otherwise, if you need like a real-time coding and if you want to learn to code, then Replit will be the best option in that case. Hope the video was helpful.